Shocker, Social Security makes mistakes. We're all human. It's a big government behemoth. And you might have mistakes that will negatively impact you, your family, your survivors. Stay tuned. Let's talk about it. I am celebrating this beautiful day with my boa. You just don't have enough occasion to wear a boa. Let's talk about getting your Social Security errors fixed. Okay, what kind of error could you have? When you get your Social Security statement, which they stopped mailing in like 2016, but it would show you how much your earnings were that were taxed every year. And there might be some years that had a zero, and you're like, hey, I worked every year. Why is there nothing in 2017? Error. You can fix it, right? You have your taxes. You can get this fixed. Not easy. Everything takes time, right? So now is the time to take control of your Social Security money. This is your pool of money that's sitting up there. So let's go find those errors by going to socialsecurity.gov, going over here to sign up or sign in, and go over here to My Social Security and set up an account. So you're going to get an account and you're going to get access to your money. And then you got to show your driver's license, and it takes a little bit of time, but I'd say you can get it done in 15 minutes. Then you can find out how much money you would get if you started drawing 62. It doesn't give you every year like the statements used to, but you can call the office and they will tell you that. If you went on disability today, how much would you get? How much would your spouse get? How much would your dependent children get? This is your money. So go get in there and see what's going on with your money and see if there are errors, such as, most commonly, that they have the wrong reported earnings for a year, or they have some years that there's nothing, some zeros that you need to get fixed. And like I said, that can take some time. So before you need to draw benefits, let's get that fixed. Social Security, like I said, they do make errors. I have people email me all the time and they're like, why'd they tell me this? You know, it's people, there's new people, and you're typing in questions in a computer and it's giving you answers, and you might have typed it in wrong or whatever. So if you think you got the wrong answer from the Social Security Administration, hang up, call back. If that didn't sound right, just call again. Typically, I tell people to call 3 times to see if you can get the same answer a couple times before you panic and call us. But if you do need help, call us here at the Medicare Family, themedicarefamily.com. We would love to help you get ready for retirement, and we specialize in Medicare. We're licensed in all 50 states, and you never pay extra to work with us. Since you're not going to be working with us face-to-face, you might not appreciate the fantastic fashion, but it will be on the other end of the phone.